Hello everyone, how are you all? So first of all, I thought to make video only on Sunday because my prelims is approaching. But today after lunch I got some free time for 1 hour, so I thought to make this video. So I got many queries in the last 4 to 5 days in my community section, also in my videos comment and telegram group, that ma'am, where can I get the Vision IAS monthly magazine, daily magazine, or any other initiatives which they run free of cost for the UPSC aspirant. But those who are beginner, just started their preparation, they have no idea that where can get those things, right? So for them I am making this video. So first of all, you have to open the Google, then there you have to type the Vision IAS. So don't type the Vision IAS login because it's for only student, those who registered there any courses. Just type the Vision IAS. So you will get this type of interface that you can get this. So first you have to click that the first one, Vision IAS Best Coaching Institute, this one. So these are the general overview. After opening their website, you will get this state. So now I am scrolling, you can see. So you will get the test series. So these are the paid materials. You have to register them or you have to buy them. So you can see these are the paid materials for 2021, 2022, 23 in both the languages, that means in English medium and also in Hindi medium. So as you can see, these are the courses which they provide for UPSC preparation, prelims, mains, interview, and also in the prelims mock test series, mains mock test series. So as you all know, their mock test series is very much famous, and I personally is a student of Vision IAS from prelims and mains mock test series. And also you will get the interview guidance also. So as you can see, these are the general overview of the Vision IAS website when you first open their first page. So then come to this next sections, that means the current affairs sections. This is the most important things from the Vision IAS website and also from their app. So as you can see, these are the websites. So this is a newly initiative, weekly basis, that means at least one topic on, I think it's Sunday they provide, till now they have given only one topic, climate change and its impact on Indian region. They just started this initiative last week. Only on Sunday they gave a topic, holistically covered each and every dimensions of that topic. So as you can see, my internet connection is not good, so it takes a lot of time to download it. So these are the PDFs. So as you can see, weekly focus, this initiative is called weekly focus. So climate change and its impact. So this page, PDF is 11 pages. So as you can see, they have covered each and every dimensions of climate change. If you read this PDF, your climate change topic will be well covered for the prelims and also for the mains. So these initiatives they had just started, I think it's from last Sunday, and it's very much popular. I think will be very much popular because this initiative is very much good, because I have personally read this PDF also. So then after this, you can get it only in English medium. Till now they have not started in Hindi medium. Now come to the daily news, that means the news today, daily current affairs. This started from January 2020 for the English medium. So now I download one PDF. I will show you that how which type of current affairs they covered in their daily news. So these are started from, I think it's January 2020 for the English medium, and for the Hindi medium I think it's July 2020. So as you can see, so you have to do a lot of waiting. So first of all, okay, so now come these sections. News today, you will get this type of current affairs. I think it's 4 to 5 topic are well covered, but this topic is totally prelims point of view, I think so, because I have read this many times, but not in a religious manner, but read them sometimes. And these short topics will also cover from PIB and also the Hindu news analysis. So this PDF is I think it's every day only except in Sunday. So on Sunday they gave the news initiatives, that is called weekly focus. So now we can see, you can see that from January, and then come to monthly magazine, monthly current affairs magazine. This is very much popular of Vision IAS. Almost all the toppers follow Vision IAS monthly magazine. So now I am downloading the June current affairs. I think it's Yes, you will get from, I think, 2015-16, you will get each and every current affairs monthly magazine, but I am downloading the updated one. So yes, it is from June current affairs, so let's wait. So as I have no Wi-Fi connection and our city is totally, after lockdown, it's quite very low internet connection, so you have to wait some time. Okay, now come the June current affairs monthly magazine. So as you can see, the content of the news monthly current affairs: polity, international relation, economy, then come to security, environment, social issue, then science and technology, culture, ethics, news in short. This is for the prelims point of view, and also scheme in news. That means the government scheme. So these are the topics come under the polity. So as you can see, which I have already made a separate video, monthly magazine review. So if you have not go through them, you can go and check it out. But in this video, I won't cover this topic. I just only give a general overview of the Vision IAS initiatives, which are free of cost totally, and you as an aspirant, those who are preparing for self-study, you can utilize these things. And I personally also utilizes these things in my preparation, and believe me, it's really well covered each and every topic, and it will give you a good result also. So then come to the PT 365. So as you can see, these are the PT 365 you will get in each and every year. This is from currently 2020, you will get 2019, 18 every year, and also in both the languages, that means in English and in Hindi both. So first of all, I am downloading the polity and constitution, and you will get the updated one also. You will see that the supplementary current affairs material for prelims 2020 and updated classroom material for March to May 2020. That means they covered it from May 2019 to I think it's April 2020, but this time, as our prelims has postponed due to the lockdown or pandemic, so they have covered, I think it's 15-month current affairs or 14th month current affairs. So that's why I think it's 3 time updated, will be 3 time updated, but most of the cases it's every year it updated at least 2 times. First PT 365 is covered the 10-month current affairs, and then the next updated one covered the 2-month current affairs. That means the before the prelims of 2 month. So you can see these are the, okay, now it's downloading again. And also you will get each and every year 2006 from 2016, 17, 18. So now I am showing you, it's downloaded. Okay, the polity and constitution. Okay, these are the PT 365 for 2020 English medium. You will get also same it is as a Hindi medium, in Hindi medium from May 2019 to February 2020. So as you can see, these are the topics for the polity since last 10 months current affairs for the prelims 2020. These topic PT 365 is totally from the prelims point of view, and same things will happen before the mains. We'll call the mains 365 and come under the each and every topic comes from the mains point of view. So as you can see, these are the prelims topic and given in a very short manner, just to remember the facts, which also included the conceptual clarity also, because rectification is not a good process for memorizing each and everything. So as you can see, Hindi and English, both of them they provide, and also you will get the updated classroom material and supplementary current affairs material both in English and Hindi. So these are the Hindi topics. So as you can see, these are the PT 365 of Hindi medium, and also you will get the English medium one. So now come to these sections. I think it's mains 365, yes. So last year till updated 2019, because only 2019 mains had happened, and you will get both in the language English and Hindi both. So these are the, okay, you will get it from September 2018, that means for the 2019 mains, September 2018 to June 2019, this is the first 10 month. Then again the two month it will be updated before the prelims or before the mains at the same time. So it's again downloading the polity section. I am downloading for your to show you the PDF how it looks like. Okay, let's wait. Internet connection is very bad, so I have to take some time. Okay, at this moment I am showing you the news today Hindi medium. So these are the July and August 2020 Hindi medium daily current affairs news, which they cover daily news in the English medium since January 2020. So now downloadation have completed. Okay, wait. Yes, these are the mains 365 for the mains 2019. So as you can see, center state relation covered all the topics from the polity point of view for the mains oriented topic. Okay, as you can see, center state relation, Niti Aayog in a holistically covered day, because almost 3 to 4 pages they give. So as you can see, special status to Jammu Kashmir, as you all know, last year 5th August these things revoked. Then article 35A. So as you can see, they covered each and everything properly for the prelims and mains, both of them. So now come to these sections. That means I think it's economic survey, maybe. Yes. Yes. Okay, economic survey you will get from 2016 and both in the language Hindi and English both. So now I am downloading the English one, economic survey volume 1 and 2 both, because it will covered for the prelims mains both point of view. If you read this once, this summary, I think it's more than sufficient, because it's not possible to read the total booklet of economic survey because it's quite bulky and it's quite difficult to revise them before the prelims and before the mains, and it's making the notes from the economic survey itself is quite time taking process. So I think summary is quite sufficient, and I personally read the summary of Vision IAS and also the Shunya IAS. Okay, then come to the Vision IAS economic survey 2019-20 this year summary. So as you can see here, they covered volume 1 and volume 2 both, total chapters, very well covered each and every topic with the conceptual clarity and also the data. So as you can see, these are the Vision IAS economic survey for the prelims and for the mains also. So they covered each and every chapter from chapter 1 to 10 from volume 1 and also from volume 2. So now come to these sections, that means the value added material. This section is also very important. This section they give the value added material free of cost. This value added material are totally free of cost. You don't have to buy them. Yes, some value addition material are also there. If you buy test series, then you will get them. I am a test series student of Vision IAS, so I have get some extra value addition material which here not included. So now come to interview section. For the interview also you will get some topic. As you can see, these are the topics of interview last year 2019. So they will give you some extra topic also for the interview, which will definitely help you to enrich your vocabulary, to enrich your knowledge. So now come to the next sections, that means I think it's resources. So these are the current affairs section and this is the resources. So in the resources, this is the general overview, then you will get current affairs which I have already discussed, then the infographics, this is also an important topic, then AIR news, that means All India Radio, All India mock test, UPSC previous year, toppers talk, economic survey, how to prepare UPSC toppers answer copy, this is very much important, UPSC paper solution for prelims mains both, GS mains paper solution. So first of all start with infographics. Okay, these are the infographics, that means in a visual, I think it's visually presented in a very dynamic manner, and also in a, I think it's 2 pages PDF and 1 or 2 pages, and but they gave each and every topic holistically in these sections. So as you can see, these are the infographics topic. Okay, it's downloaded. So this topic is Nehru Liaquat Ali Agreement. So you can see they give a visual presentation which will increase your interest for this topic and also give you a well covered topic, well covered knowledge, conceptual clarity. So this is almost 1 or 2 PDF, 2 pages PDF, not more than that. So this is also important for your current affairs and also important for your GS paper. Like you can see, these are the topics which already they have covered, and from English and both Hindi they have covered all both the languages. So now come to these sections. AIR news analysis. So that means All India Radio. Every day they will give you the All India Radio news analysis. So you will get in both the languages, Hindi and English both. So as you can see, these are the important All India Radio news, and it is very much important for the prelims, those who are preparing by yourself at home and not getting the guidance of any coaching institute. This topic will definitely help you. So now come to the toppers answer booklet. This is the most important things, I feel. So those topper which gave the mains mock test series from Vision IS, they after the interview result they provide their rank along with their test series copies, and this will definitely help you to understand that how a toppers write their answer, how the topper get their marks in their mains answer writing. So this will help you to understand that how we should approach the mains answer writing and how we should write our mains answer in the actual UPSC mains paper and also in the mock test series. So this will definitely help you, those who are starting your preparation and can't understand that how to write the answer. Even my case also, when I start my preparation in 2018, I first downloaded some of the paper and just eventually reading their questions and answer, how they have approached the questions. So as you can see, this is the Jatin sir copies. So this is the, as you can see, this is his handwriting notes answer from Vision IS mock test. So if you read this, this definitely it will help you to understand that how they write their mains answer and how they get the rank 1 or 2. It will definitely help you. So then come to these sections. UPSC papers, no, research and analysis, I think it's. So research and analysis is very much important. It's new initiative after lockdown COVID-19. So you can see I am downloading one, that means lockdown health scenario in India COVID-19. The next one is strategies and intervention in India, and then the lockdown food security in India and the COVID-19 global pandemic. So they have covered this 4th topic till now, because I think it's COVID-19, it's a huge topic and it will not covered in only daily or monthly current affairs. So it need a research and obviously an analysis. So they have started this initiative. I think it's March or April, in the month of March or April. So they have started this initiative on health scenario in India, strategies and interventions of the government, then the global pandemic, how it spread. So all the topics they have covered in this topic. So then come to these sections. Okay, wait for the download because it's take time to download the PDF. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah, health scenario in lockdown. So okay, wait, it's take time to open the PDF. So as you can see, COVID-19 lockdown scenario in India, they have covered well the governance sections and the interventions, introductions, each and every topic as in a holistic manner, and also they provide the diagrams also. Definitely this topic will help you to write the answer of mains, answer copy of actual mains of UPSC and also the mock test. So now come to this prelim sections, prelim solution. So here you will get the prelim solution since 2011 in both the languages. So no, I think it's only in English, not both languages. So first of all, GS paper 2019 English paper. So I think it's okay. Let's download this one first. Why it takes so much time? Okay, let's wait. I think it's not downloading, so now I have to again download it. You can watch this video in 1.5x or 1.25x because it's quite lengthy and it's quite takes time because my internet connection is not good. So I have to wait for time to download the PDF. So at this moment you can see here you will get all the UPSC previous seminar topper talks and also the previous year questions analysis of prelims, mains, both of them. So finally the PDF has downloaded. Okay, you will get these things: analysis, approach, source, strategy, general studies, prelims 2019. So here you will get questions, explanation, source and the Vision IS All India Test Series, monthly current affairs, PT 365, from which sources the questions are come in the UPSC actual prelims. So I have read this PDF properly and I have printed out this one also, and I have seen that last year 2019 39 questions out of 100 questions came from Vision IS PT 365, Vision IS monthly magazine and also the test series. So including these three, and also the I think value addition material also. So these almost 39 to 40 questions in 2018. I think 36 questions come in 2019, came in 2019 from the Vision IS test series and also the PT 365, and 2019 I think 39 questions came. So most of the year 30 to 35 or 30 to 40 questions came in actual prelims from Vision IS test series and also from PT 365. That's why they are very famous in the market. So you can see these are the overall dimensions of Vision IS application and also the website. You will get both of them, and you will get the open mock test also. They conduct 3 open mock tests before the prelims.